evening, everyone. Happy Halloween. So this is a special show for you tonight because not only am I dressed as myself, the Mad Hatter, we have company. Say hi, Gav.
Hi.
This is Mr.Strachan, who's very nervous because he's never been on cam like this before. So, okay, so guess what we're going to get him doing tonight? We are going to get Mr. Strachan and myself doing a Dutch pour. So this will be interesting. And I got this recipe from watching Tammy Andersons this afternoon. So this is what we are going to do. I've got to cover up my gloves. And Mr. Strachan, Gavin's wearing his gloves. And okay, so we have the base coat. And what the base coat is made of is normal house paint with some water. That's all this is the base coat with some water to the consistency that you like to work with. We have got the activator, and the activator is just Floetrol and water in this. And no, Floetrol, water, and titanium white. I'll write it all down for you. And then we have, for our colors, this is the secret, we have got a combination of a high gloss medium, okay? So I went with Tri-Art, and a bit of polyacrylic, which is what I love to use on my wood pieces that need to be sealed. So we're going to see if this works for us like it worked for Tammy.
Cool.
You excited?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I can tell.
Riveted.
I bet. You shit. Okay. So, sleeves rolled up. You ready for this? Okay. We're going to start. So, we'll put our cups away that we're going to mix our colors. Because we're going to start with the base coat. So, come on down, guys. And you can see the two. I spray painted Gavin. These are my not so nice rounds, but I thought this was just for fun tonight, so no big deal. I spray painted his with a bit of white around the edge, but my spray paint was dying, and since there was no white left, I did silver on mine. So I'm hoping that the white base paint will do the trick. So, Mr. Strachan, we start by doing a base coat, okay? Mm-hmm. And now what you're going to do, and the reason that now you know why you have another set of gloves there, is you're going to take your hand and you are going to spread it lightly over the piece and around your edge, like here. Mm-hmm. Okay? I know he seems like the strong, silent type, but this is just a show. Trust me. Right, Tyne? Oh, dear. Dear, this is actually a pleasure to have you here. I want to show you guys something after we do this. I want to show you. Gavin has never done this kind of stuff, but when he was younger, and I'm going to get him back into it when he does retire, he is a fabulous, fabulous drawer. And he can do animals and birds and stuff like, well, he did a beautiful ship too. He can draw very well. Okay, so try to get it around. See, this is now when, oh yeah, I got white paint on my Mad Hatter. Okay, so now take that glove off if you want. And what we're going to do is we're going to torch out. See, with acrylic paint you get bubbles, right?
Gotcha.
So we're going to torch out the bubbles. Do you want to torch out
Go
your...
ahead.
Okay, put your other glove on. Okay. Now you're going to pick your colors. And what we're using tonight, guys, is Pearlex powders in a bunch of different colors. And I have Josana acrylic colors. So I'd like to try a Christmassy theme, I think. Citrus, I want a gold. So you pick out some colors, Gav. Pick out 3, 4, 5 colors. 4 colors and then a gold or a silver. What would you like?
Gold, please.
Gold? Okay. That's the copper. Let's see. Is that the gold? Yeah. I'm going to go with the rich gold for me and the pearl gold for you. How's that? Okay. So.
I've got 4 colors.
Okay, and your gold.
Is that okay?
Well, wait a sec. If you're going with the citrus, you don't really need the gold. What do you want? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to add, I've got 3 colors. Let's add, do I not have a nice blue I can put in there? What blue? There we go. I have a nice blue. Okay, now you're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to take don't get paint on that, 4 stir sticks. And I'm going to take 4.
Okay.
Okay, so with the powders, you're going to take a little scoop about that much.
Okay.
Okay? And that'll be for that color. And then you just go on and do your other colors. Right, guys? And since mine is pink, I'm just going to squeeze some into the cup. I don't need as much as I'm making, but that's okay, because the good thing about this is it will last. You just have to add a bit of water to it if it has thickened up on you. And I've got some water here too, because if the paint isn't the right consistency, we can add water to it. Did you guys see that? You didn't see that. I just squirted the paint because the little lid stopper was still on.
Okay, so how much of this stuff? Oh, shoot.
You squeezed at the same time. Just
much?
about this much. You don't need a lot with a metallic. There you go.
Okay.
Yep. Now, I'm going to move all this stuff out of the way. And we are going to now add the ingredients for this. And then you just give them a good stir, okay?
Yep.
So about half a cup. So about a tablespoon I've got in here
Mm-hmm.
of color to about a half a cup of the mixture. You can use less. Like I said, we probably definitely will get away with less, but these, I just cover them and they'll be fine for weeks. Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. That is the apple green?
Oh, the other one.
No. Emerald. Very pretty. Okay, that's a very good consistency for my gold. Ooh, and it is for my blue. And for the burgundy may need a bit of water. I'm not really sure. You see, this is, I think that's good. It's pretty runny. And this is the green. Okay, very good. I'm just checking your consistency to see. Oh, very good. Yeah, I'd say these are good. You having fun yet?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Mr.Strachan bought me a mocha. I love this man.
Me too.
Thanks, baby.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Does that look okay?
Yep, that looks fine. Yep, okay, so put them to the side for now. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, okay? So let's move these out of the way, because this might get all over the place. Hence the fact I don't do this often. Oh, some late bloomers coming to the door for Halloween, but it is late, so I'm not going up. Okay, I'm just making sure that bubbles, that's a hair.
Sure is still there.
Is it?
That's a big one.
Oh, yeah, it's probably from the wig. Oh, by the way, this is a wig, guys. It's not really my hair.
Okay.
Okay, so now pick any color you want for your bottom. Okay? And puddle pour it just a bit. I'll show you first. Wherever you want. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so there. That's all I need. Okay?
Like that?
Yep, perfect. You can put your stick back in. Then pick your next color and you're going to pour it in the middle. See? And you just do that until you're down to your gold.
I'm putting my gold in now.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Like that.
I'm so tempted to wipe, and I just realized I didn't put an apron on, so.
Oops.
Okay, stop. That's okay. Okay, now we are going to take the activator, and, well, let's give it a shake first to make sure it's all. And what I'm going to do with the activator is I'm going to pour a little around your front and a little around your back. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now we take, I'm going to show you how I do it, and then you can do yours, okay?
Yeah.
you take noise, guys. Hair dryer, I push this because I want cool air, not warm air. And I bring the paint over, and then I blow it out. Okay, so you're going to push the paint a little bit over. You don't have to go too much. Turn it on. Noise activation. Squeeze that. Yep. Blow. Okay, stop. Now blow it out. Get a little closer and blow it in the direction you want. There you go. Keep going. Okay, let go for a sec. Put it over there. Let's add a little bit here and blow. There you go. Keep blowing it out. There you go. Excellent. Middle. There you go. Okay, so now what we do is we take the torch, and not only are you popping bubbles here, you're trying to bring out these cells. See them? Mm-hmm. Oh, there's some big ones there. So not bad.
Mine's doing it on its own.
Yeah, they do it on its own, but then you can actually use all powders, right?
Yeah.
So you might not get as many because I find powders sink, but you got some. You got some big ones there.
They're starting to grow.
Yeah. The heat helps them grow. So very good, Mr.Strachan. High five.
Turned out nice.
Yeah. Very good. I'm going to bring everybody down to take a gander, and then I'm going to we'll say our goodbyes and we'll wrap up the paint. So come on, guys, come on down for a Halloween treat. This is Mr. Strachan's very first acrylic pour, doing the Dutch pour, but it's his very first time using acrylic. You didn't paint, did you, when you were? Yes, you did, but did you ever use acrylic?
No. Oh, yeah, I had acrylic too.
Did you? Oh. And this one is mine, and I'm not getting the great big cells that I would like, but you know what? I'll just keep trying. So there we go. There is. So, but before you guys go, before Mr. Strachan leaves us, I want to brag about my hubby. This, don't clean up. That's my job. This, excuse me, this is what my husband does. Well be doing when I get him to retire. This is his beautiful work. He can draw like nothing else, right?
Mm. Thanks.
Thanks. Thanks for doing this with me.
You're welcome.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Happy Halloween, everybody.